Plagiarism is the academic cardinal sin, a misstep that can tarnish your scholastic reputation. But fear not. Here at Essay Tips, we're dedicated to helping you understand the nuances of plagiarism. We'll show you how to steer clear of this pitfall by properly citing sources, paraphrasing with finesse, and using the right tools to ensure your work is genuinely your own. Navigating the maze of citation styles can be daunting, but it's a breeze with Essay Tips. Whether it's APA, MLA, or Chicago, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through in-text citations and reference lists with such clarity that you'll be formatting footnotes in your sleep. Remember, proper citation is your shield against the spectre of plagiarism. No need to cross your fingers and hope for the best when submitting essays. Embrace the digital age with plagiarism detection tools like Turnitin and Grammarly. These handy helpers are your academic allies, scanning your work to catch any slip-ups. With Essay Tips, you'll learn how to integrate these tools into your writing routine for a plagiarism-free peace of mind. Paraphrasing isn't just about changing a few words here and there. It's an art. It's about expressing someone else's ideas in your unique voice without losing the original intent. We provide the tips and exercises that will sharpen your paraphrasing skills. With Essay Tips, you'll weave external sources into your essays seamlessly and ethically. Your voice matters. That's why we at Essay Tips champion the creation of essays that resonate with authenticity and academic rigor. We encourage you to infuse your work with your unique perspective, backed by solid research and thoughtful analysis. Let us guide you in constructing persuasive arguments and presenting your insights with confidence and clarity. To wrap it up, Essay Tips is more than just a guide. It's your academic ally in the quest for writing excellence. With our help, you'll tackle the challenges of academic writing and emerge as a master of originality and integrity. We're excited to be part of your academic journey, offering strategies that will propel your essays to new heights. Here's to your success with Essay Tips, your beacon in the world of academic writing.